Welcome to East Harptree. I'm Mark Manning from the Property Experts, and I've got a fantastic property for you today. It's a 5-bed executive home covering 2,500 square feet. Let's take a look inside. You join me in the orangery in this fantastic house. The open plan living area is an absolute delight, and the master bedroom with the views out across the countryside are absolutely fantastic. I quite like it in here though. So if you're looking to enjoy village life and you want the scenery that involves, including Chew Valley Lake, which is just a mile in that direction, but you also want a contemporary home that's really high spec, then this could be the property for you. Get in touch with me on the details that follow to book your exclusive viewing, and until next time, bye bye.